Saturday I'm running a live workshop on drop D, 1 hour Zoom session, and we'll cover chord shapes, riffs, and a piece that I specifically wrote for that session. It's called Low String, and it goes like this. So if you want to learn it and see what drop D can actually do to your playing, the workshop is Saturday, March 21st, and link in the description.